Good morning. It's Friday, February the 22nd, 2013. This is our stock pick panel that you see on the screen. This is it's showing the top 15 stocks. There's, I don't know how many there is today. There's probably, I'm not going to go through them all. There's probably 100, 150 stocks on here. But anyway, the top choices are going to gravitate towards the top of the screen, and you'll see that once the signals appear here. The scanner, the stock pick panel here is something that our members get 15 minutes before the market opens each day. The signal column, the points here will generate the signals. You'll see the signals pop up when the market opens. Signals such as go long, caution, buy, sell, and so on. This panel is for day traders only. Day traders that trade stocks, not for Forex, options, futures, or whatever. It's strictly for day traders, stock day traders. This panel is the equivalent of you as a day trader watching over 100, 150 stock charts, analyzing them, and trying to decide what to do before it's too late. This panel, this amazing panel here, does it for you all in milliseconds. Logarithms are running in the background. Algorithms or mathematical calculations, whatever you want to call them, are running in the background. They're picking out the top choices, the top stock choices throughout the day. Factors, I'm not going to get into a whole lot of detail. You can go to the website. I'll put the thing right up here right now. We do have a live free 7-day trial. You can go to our website, livestockpicks.com, and it'll explain on there how the algorithms work, what factors are taken into consideration. I can tell you this, it's mostly price and volume. That's probably comprises 80 to 80% of it at least. The rest is the fundamentals, the average true range, the I just slipped my mind. Oh, short interest ratios and other fundamental factors, but the biggest part of it is the price and volume. There's probably 15 different functions concerning the price and the volume. And that's all that really matters to day traders. Day traders don't care what happened yesterday. We're not interested in back testing or looking to see or relying on lagging indicators. What day traders want to know and what they want to see from this panel is what's going to happen in the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. And you're going to see this throughout the day. I'm going to be trading along as I'm making this video, so it could get a little erratic. I'm going to go on pause now. I'm going to wait till the market opens. I should mention also we've got 5 minutes before the market opens. This panel that you see in front of you, it's a very simple to access panel. Most of our members, all they get is the left-hand side of the panel. Most day traders have their own charts. So what you're going to get is just this left-hand panel here, about the size of a deck of cards. And all you do each morning is you go in, you turn your computer on, click a link. This pops up on your browser. There's nothing to download. There's no plugins. It's all a browser-based application. Very simple. Okay, the market just opened. It's 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. You can see the points are jumping around a little bit here. Top choices gravitate towards the top of the screen. CZR, as you see, it has a big gap up. SPWR, likewise. CBMX. MM. SCTY, I did well on this one yesterday. Away. All right, we're going to wait. I'm going to wait until we see the signals pop up in here. I don't do anything for the first 5 minutes. I wait until the first candle has formed. Some of the traders, some of the members like to take the trades right out of the gate. I'm a little bit more conservative. I'm back on pause. Okay, 9:35. 5 minutes. 5-minute candles have formed. And you can see we've got quite a number of go long signals. These are the buy signals. Actually, we got more than I wanted. The Dow is up pretty strong already. It's up almost 80 points. That's why we're seeing so many of these. So I'm going to concentrate just on the ones that are near the top of the chart. CSTR. Oops, I just lost CSTR. Let's take a look at AWAY. AWAY is giving us a buy above this candle here. Hang on, I'm going to put an order in. Okay, I got in on BRY at 46.39, and I'm also in AWAY at 28.81. It's already triggered. And I've also got UNXL at the break of this candle at 19.51. I have an order in. I got taken out of my AWAY. I had a 12-cent stop loss on it. Actually, I had a 10-cent stop loss. And when it went down, there was a little slippage. I lost 12 cents on this one. BRY, I'm out of my first and second targets on BRY, and I pulled my stop up to break even on the remaining 600 shares. And I just got triggered on UNXL. It's only up a couple of pennies. I have a 3-minute time factor, 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the stock price and other factors. If I don't get the move that I anticipated, an appreciable 10-cent move or more within the 3 minutes, I eject at the market. So far, UNXL is doing well. I'm out of my first target on that one, and I've already pulled my stop to break even. So I've got 2 trades now, where 2 no-loss trades that pull my stop up to break even on UNXL here, and also on BRY. And CZR, I just got on that at the break of this candle here at 11.59. Okay, I'm in 3 stocks right now. UNXL, I hit my first and second target. I got my stop pulled to break even. CZR, I just got in that one at 11.59. That one's backing up on me. Didn't take me out. That one I had a 15-cent stop on it, stop loss. Where's the other one I'm on? BRY. And BRY, I'm still in that one. It came down here. It almost took me out. I think it missed me by a penny. It was 46.40. My entry was 46.39. A little bit of luck there. Oops. On CZR, that's my timer going in the background. I'm going to eject out of that one. And UNXL, it backed up on me. I got taken out at break even on the remaining 600 shares. I made money on the first 400 shares going up. So I've only got the one left now, which is BRY. I got out of my first, this is BRY. I got out of my first 400 shares. I made a profit on those, and my stop loss is one below, well, it's at 46.39 on the remaining 600 shares. And I'm going to look for something else to get into. Okay, I've got an order in on MM at 9.43, one above the go long. And I've also got an order on DDD at 56.89, one above the, as it happens, one above the high of the day. Okay, I pull my buy order down to one above the prior candle. As you can see on the chart here, where is it? It also gives the signal at 56.73. That's where I am, and I just got triggered on that. Okay, I'm in 3. As you can see, BRY is still at the top of the chart here. It's really not doing a whole lot. It still hasn't taken me out. MM, I got on that one too as well. I'm in that one at I got in that one at 9.43. It's really not doing too much. My time's almost up on that one. I may just get out of that one. And the other one I'm in is DDD. That one ran up a little bit. I'm in that at 56.73. My stop is one below this candle right here. I got a 20-cent stop loss on that one. On these higher priced ones too, I go half the share size. So I'm only 500 shares on this one. Okay, I got out of MM. It wasn't performing. It didn't move, but it was well over it was probably going into more like 7 or closer to 10 minutes after I got into it. So I bailed into this one at 9.40. I lost 3 cents on it. JCP, it's giving me a buy order at above 22.14, which is the high of the day. I got an order in at 22.15. Okay, I finally got taken out of my BRY. I made money on it on the first and second targets. Then it stopped me out at break even on my remaining 600 shares. Okay, I'm in JCP at 22.15. It's only up about 10 cents, 8 cents. And I'm still in DDD. It's really not. I did get out of my first 2 targets on this one here. I only, and I've got 300 shares left. This one I went half the share size. And I've got my stop loss at break even on this one. So I got a no loss trade on the remaining 300 shares. My stop loss is 56.73. We're up about 20 cents here. And I'm watching CZR. I've got a buy order in at one above this candle here at 11.51. I should point out that I usually don't take this many trades. I'm taking more trades than I normally do, but I'm trying to show just what the panel does for explanation purposes doing this video. I probably would, by this time I probably would have taken half those trades that I had taken, half the number of trades. I got out of my first target when it spiked up here on JCP, so I pulled my stop to break even at 22.15. So I got a no loss trade on JCP. And DDD backed up on me, took me out at break even. I made money on the first 2 targets. I broke even on the remaining 300 shares. And I'm on CZR at 11.51. So I've only got 2 going right now, I think, JCP and CZR. JCP is nice. It's on a mission. I'm in this at 22.15. I'm already out of my first and second targets. And I pull my stop loss to one below this candle that's forming here right now at 22.33. So I've got 18 cents locked in on the remaining 600 shares. Right now it's about a 40-cent candle. I'm awfully tempted to, I got a target of 23.15, a dollar target. And you see something like this, it's very tempting just to bail out at the top of this candle right here. Take about a 60-cent profit on my remaining 600 shares. Okay, I bailed out of I didn't get out at the top. I bailed out at 22.60. Made 45 cents on my remaining 600 shares. It's just getting a little too extended here away from the 8 moving average line, 8 EMA. Okay, what's the other one I got is, and the other one is CZR. I'm in this one at 11.51. It's really not doing anything. It went up, I think, about 6 cents or so. According to my rules, it hasn't made a 10-cent move. I should just bail out of this, but it's the only one I got left right now, so I'm just going to hold in. I pull my stop to break even at 11.51. If it comes down another penny here, and I'm out of this one. Come on, take me out. I'm getting aggravated being in this one. It's going to play with me here. I'm going to go on pause. I can't waste too much. I don't want to make this video too long. Finally got the move that I anticipated in CZR. Took a long enough time. It didn't take me out. If you remember, I had my stop loss. It missed me by a penny a couple of times here. I had 11.51 stop loss, which was my entry point here, and it hit 11.52 both times. So that was a stroke of luck on my part. I'm out of my first and second shares. I got first and second targets. I've got 600 shares left at break even. And once this candle here forms, I'll move my stop loss up to 1163, one below this candle. Here's a couple that I did not get into that had nice moves. This was on the panel earlier, MNST. I think down here at 50, if I remember 50.13, it's up almost $1. Okay, I just pulled my stop loss to one below this candle here at 1169. I got 18 cents locked in on my remaining 800 share, or remaining 600 shares, I'm sorry. And I got my eye on this one here, Cyrus. I'm going to put an order in at the break of this candle, 25.56. It's the number one pick here, and it's 10:25 a.m. 1 hour, almost 1 hour into the session. So I'm going to try to wrap this up pretty soon. Okay, I just got on Cyrus. I've been watching this and bringing my entry price down. I got on at 25.48. Not in love with it, really. I'm going to give it the old 3-minute rule. If I don't get a nice move out of this, I'm going to be out of this one too as well. It's 10:37 Eastern Standard Time. I'm still in CZR too as well. Yeah, which, as you can see, the two stocks that I'm in are both of these. They're both at the top of the panel. CZR is not doing. Not that it means anything today. It seems, because CZR is not doing anything. It's I pull my stop up to one below the prior candle here at 1173, when I got 22 cents locked in on my remaining 600 shares. Here's JCP right now. I got off of this at on this red candle right here at 2260 as it was pulling back. I don't know if I mentioned at the time or not, but I got a little concerned as it was gapping away from the 8 EMA line. But as you can see here, it came back, touched the 8 EMA line, and then took off again. You'll see that happen a lot. Okay, I just got taken out of my CZR at 1173. I made 22 cents on my last 600 shares, plus the $70 I made on the first two targets. Okay, this is the only one that I'm in still. I don't know if I'm repeating myself. I don't know if I put that on plus or not the last time. But anyway, this is Cyrus. I'm in at 25.48. I got a 7-cent stop loss on this one so far. I'm still waiting to get taken out of my first target. It only went up I think 10 or 11 cents. This is going to be my last trade. I'm not going to get into anything else. It's 10:45 Eastern Standard Time. There goes MM. I was on this earlier today at 9:43, and I actually lost money on it. I lost $30 on this one, 3 cents on this one. Just the timing was a little off. And the only one I got left is Cyrus. I'm in at 25.48. That's where I got my stop loss. It's just toying around with me a little bit here. I didn't even get out of my first target. It's 5 minutes to 11. I'm just going to hold on to until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I finally got taken out of Cyrus at 25.48 to break even. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up. I got my website, my notice back on the panel here. Livestockpicks.com is our website. There's a 7-day free trial. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. Here's DDD. I got out of that earlier today. MMM pulled back a little bit. This one might be good. I'm not taking any more trades. I'm done for the day. But this one could bounce back. It's still up near the top of the charts. I had a pretty good day, not, considering everything, trying to do this movie and trade at the same time. I had two winning trades, two winners. JCP was what I call a home run. It was a 4-bagger, and what was the other one I had? CZR was a double. Then I had a couple of singles on BRY, UNXL, and what was the other one? DDD. And I had a couple of losers and a couple of break-evens in there. The losers totaled 100, say about 150, plus the commissions about 175 or so. But I still ended up with on the day with a little over 5 bennies So it was a good day all in all. Look forward to seeing you in the room, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.